Week 2, January 11th for Tuck Everlasting. Last week, you answered some prediction questions and read the prologue in chapter 1 through 3. So we're going to start today by answering those questions that we previewed. So you will answer question 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little extra. Then you will give a chapter summary. So if you could give a title to this section of the book, what would it be? What happens in these chapters? What is your favorite part of this section of the book? What are the 3 words that you think describe these chapters and why? And based on what happens in these chapters, what do you think will happen next in the story? And lastly, you will start your character chart in Google Classroom. This is an ongoing activity, and you will find it in your Google Classroom under the Ongoing Activity section. You will type your character's name, a description, and any notes that you have about the character. For example, maybe you're going to write about Winnie, and then tell us what you know about Winnie, what she looks like, what she acts like, and character notes. Do you like her? Do you not like her? Are you not sure yet? What kind of things are you thinking about Winnie? You can do this for Mai, Tuck, all the characters. Then for Tuesday, just like we did for the prologue through chapter 3, we're going to be dictionary detectives. So we're going to use the online dictionary and find the definitions for disheartened, consolingly, irrelevantly, peculiar, scornful, and shamelessly. And then you're going to complete the vocabulary study where you provide the word next to the definition. And this time you're going to actually create your own sentence using the words. And for a little extra, the author gives a description of the man in the yellow suit in chapter 4. Find and write down 6 adjectives that Babbitt uses to describe this mysterious character. Well, you're not going to be able to answer this yet because you haven't read the chapter. So this you will come back to on Thursday. On Thursday, you are going to read chapter 4. And you're going to do the character chart for Mai, Tuck, and Winnie. Remember, you already started these. And Friday, you're going to read chapter 5. It's a longer chapter, so that's all we're really going to do Friday. And then if you have time, you're going to start your story timeline. This is in Google Classroom, just like the characters. And this will be an ongoing activity. You'll only fill in about 1 to 2 boxes for every chapter. So for example, the chapter chunks are 4 through 8. You would only fill in 1 box for that chunk of chapters. Pause and rewind this video as needed, and make sure this is all turned in by the end of the week and that all activities are completed before you turn in this week of Tuck Everlasting.